Hello, everybody. Welcome.
It's not time yet.
Welcome. I'm letting people join.
Oh.
I'm going to give people some time.
I have 2 minutes.
To join.
Two more minutes. Guess what I'm doing?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Obsession.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. So he's going to play
Happy
Zelda.
Tuesday.
He's going to play Zelda while you guys join in for our announcement update, whatever this is.
Mm-hmm.
Quick DIY challenge update.
Who else is playing Tears of the Kingdom?
Mm.
Anybody
Yes,
out there?
Is anyone else playing Zelda right now? Like he is. It's actually really fun.
So that I don't drop any spoilers.
Mm-hmm.
Or maybe I will drop spoilers. Oh, crap.
Yes, what are you guys doing this morning? Afternoon? It's noon.
Yeah, depending on where you are. It could be 7 a.m.
Could be morning. It
if
could
you're
be morning.
in the middle of the Pacific.
Well, you wanted this to be quick, so...
Yes. Is it time yet?
I think so. What time is it?
We have 1 more minute.
Okay, we have 1 more minute. Well, if you guys have not heard, DIY Hook Challenge is happening.
On.
There are only 10 days left. Is it 10 days left to buy their hook?
Yeah.
What's today?
Not even that.
Yeah, I don't even know if it's
6
10 days left. So you have less than 2 weeks left to buy your DIY official 2023 DIY Hook Challenge hook. So be sure to get on that if you want to join in on the fun this year. We have over 70 people who are participating already confirmed this year. And guess what? If you buy the hook, right? What did we say? Just if they just buy the hook?
Just buy a hook.
If you just buy a hook, we will be having a giveaway. We're going to have multiple giveaways. That's the good thing. At least 2.
Mm-hmm.
At least 2 giveaways. 4 participants before the actual winners are announced. But if you buy a hook, you're going to be automatically entered into our first giveaway. So we're super excited. These are going to be fun little goodie bag giveaways that we're going to do.
It's good stuff. It's good stuff.
And of course it will be good stuff.
We've got our sponsors that are not up on the board. Awesome.
Oh, here. I got you. They're not supplying the giveaways, but we are hoping to feature them in our giveaways.
Yes.
But that will be from us.
Yes.
But yes, do you want to talk about our sponsors?
These are for our prize packages is Premier Yarns, Universal Yarns, Summer Camp Fibers, Mud Living, right? Mud Living, Delaque, Lumos, and
new to the DIY Hook Challenge, just confirmed yesterday, the Crochet Foundry magazine that is, I believe, run and published now by Furls, is going to be sponsoring...
get 2 subscriptions.
Well, 1 subscription per person,
yeah.
Right?
Wait, why would you need 2? Like, you want to read it twice?
So, our 2 grand prize winners will also receive an annual subscription to the Crochet Foundry magazine as part of their grand prize. So, super, super excited about that. A huge thanks to them for jumping on. We are going to get them added to the website as soon as we get the logo that they'd like us to use. But we did want to run through, we have some of the prizes that we can show you guys from our sponsors. Now, Premier Yarn is going to be doing a gift card, so we don't have a gift card to show you.
It would be about this big.
It may be digital. It's probably a digital gift card. Universal Yarn is donating a sampler pack of their yarn. So we also don't have the sampler packs. They're going to put those together and send those out to you guys, to the 2 winners.
It'll be something cool.
Yes, but Lumos, if you guys have not seen these wonderful things around the interwebs, this is one of their... knitting and crochet lights.
You can bend them, however, and they just stay. So.
Ooh, look at that!
Wicked.
Look at that!
They're wicked cool.
Yes, I was just using it last night. Now that he's playing Zelda,
I use them to work on 3D printers sometimes, or to do secret missions in the yard at night. They're pretty great.
When the power goes out,
yeah,
these are super helpful. I just wear them around the house if the power goes out. So, and I don't have a headlamp imprinted on my head, so super helpful. These are part of this year's prize pack. We also have, let's see, Delaque. So Delaque Bags is sponsoring. You have an option. Our grand prize winners are going to have the option. They're going to be able to choose between the Delaque Maker's Tote, which I use all the time.
Pockets.
Lots of pockets. Pockets inside, pockets outside. You have your wonderful crossbody option for people like me who leave their purses everywhere.
I can confirm she does.
And they also are letting you choose. So you can choose between that or their Maker's
These
backpack.
are so cool.
So this is their maker's backpack.
And again, they've got like pockets.
So many pockets.
Yeah,
Pockets. So the grand prize winners, both of our grand prize winners will choose between the maker's tote or the maker's backpack in the color of their choice. So super, super excited about that. This is just out of the box. I have not even gotten to try this one out yet. So super excited about this one. Now, we also have Mud Living joining in, and I did just receive the Mud Living options. They are doing the same kind of thing as Della Q. You are going to have the choice, the 2 grand prize winners. Lucky Mermaid says, oh, the purple, right? Mm-hmm. That's new. So
yeah, that purple looks good.
They just released new colors for pre-order. That backpack is still on pre-order. They've got purple, teal, and orange now. That you guys can choose from. So I had the gold for the maker's tote, but these new colors are really, really nice. So Mud Living is donating the same kind of thing. You can choose between 2 of their tote bags. These are their, this one. So this one's got the drawstring at the top. Oops, drawstring, both sides.
Both sides.
Both sides. These are new. I have not used these yet, so I'm still learning as well. But this is one of the options. This is their Lofoten bag. Maker bag, carry bag, and then
slick. That's slick.
Yes, and then the Heba, and I don't know if I'm saying these right, pronouncing these right, but I figured it's Heba. The Heba bag, and this one has, I think, more pockets on the inside than the other one, but the other one has the drawstring on the top. So these 2 bags are also in the sponsorship for the grand prize winner to choose between one or the other, and they also come in black, so you'll be able to choose your color as well.
It's like luxury versus sport mode with the
drawstrings. Yes, exactly. So you guys will be seeing more of these. I'm going to be doing a showcase.
All these pockets and stuff, though. I mean, like, you just can't even see, like, all of the stuff that's going on in here.
Yes. So,
you got a drink pouch, you got a couple places where you can put some crochet hooks through there.
And we also may be doing a giveaway for some of these as well throughout the challenge. So you may not have to be a grand prize winner to get your hands on one of those bags.
But you gotta buy a hook. You
definitely have to buy a hook.
Less than 10 days now. What's today's date? The 24th? 3rd?
Yes.
6th?
I don't know what the date is. What's today's date?
The 23rd.
The 23rd. And they have until the 31st.
Yep, you got about a week.
Yes. So we also have Summer Camp Fibers. I don't have one of her knit crochet kits yet. I know one is on the way. I'm going to get to photograph that for you guys. And this is falling off. We're going to put this down over here. But that is going to be one of the grand prize winners as well. We're super excited about that. Did I name everybody?
Yes, I think so.
Yes. Okay, so do you want to talk about honorable mention this year?
Yeah, so we'll probably have at least one, but we're going to say that we'll have the grand prize winner from functional hooks, the grand prize winner from non-functional / sculpted hooks, and then probably an honorable mention as opposed to just like a runner-up.
Yes,
right?
Yes. So we feel like we should do some kind of honorable mention because that was something last year. We had quite a few. And it's hard to choose. I'm just telling you guys, this is never easy.
Yes.
Do you want to talk about that?
We need 44 entries this year for a tattoo to happen. So I think we're pretty close on sales for the number of sales. As long as we're about the same with participants and hooks sold, but everybody's got to submit. So I think I'm probably going to change that and just say that this is going to happen anyways. So, because I think it's a great idea. So, if you do join the DIY Hook Challenge, you'll get to vote on one hook, and whichever hook gets the most votes out of the whole group is going to be tattooed permanently on my body. Yeah. So, I already have one. So
crochet hook.
I don't know if you can see that
crochet hook.
The fish hook and a crochet hook.
Yeah. Yes.
So then I'll have the DIY somewhere in this.
Probably a big one because you'll have to be able to see what it looks like.
Yeah. So that it doesn't look like a.
Yes, we don't want it to look like that. We gotta find a good artist for this one, which we're on the lookout for.
Or a really bad artist that works cheap, and it'll be a great story.
Yes, exactly. He's gonna get it tattooed on his butt cheek,
like an intern.
Right? Is that what?
Yeah, like Andy Bernard.
So I did want to tell you guys too. We are gonna have, like I said, giveaways throughout the challenge, and I wanted to let you guys know if you have already bought your hook and you're already sharing progress photos, you are already entered in these giveaways. So the first giveaway is going to be for anyone who purchases a hook from us and they're going to be entered.
Once it closes, like probably the day after it closes, we'll put
start
everybody
that
entered in, and surprise, you're going to have things show up at your house.
Yes, and then our next giveaway after that one is going to be what I consider our progress giveaway. So for that one, you need to be actively posting about your progress. So using hashtag DIY Hook Challenge. That one I may actually run on Instagram so that I can remind you guys to be on there and posting progress photos of your hook. And obviously, if you're not on Instagram, you may not hear this. I'll post this to YouTube too. But if you're not on Instagram and you're being part of the DIY Hook Challenge, we will give you a way to share your progress photos with us so that it's fair.
And we're probably going to open up a Discord channel for this. We haven't really talked about that. If you guys would like to see that.
That means the captain might have a Discord.
Yeah. So if you'd like to see that, hit some hearts, send us a
let
message.
us know if you'd like a Discord for this.
We can totally put one of those together.
Server. Yeah. It'd be a pink sheep in the captain server for our DIY Hook Challenge participants. So let us know if you like that idea.
And it could, this is going to last forever. So like next year, we just join the Discord in May and see what's happening.
Yes.
Right?
Share progress, ask questions. It would be a nice place to have some more community discussion about the DIY Hook Challenge.
Because that's more about it. More than the challenge, more than the prizes. It's just something fun to do together so that we can play with you guys. You can play with us. Like, it's,
Tracy said that's cool on the Discord.
Yeah.
Yes. And Kim says that could be fun. The Discord.
I think that's a good idea.
Okay. You got to be involved.
Yeah.
Discord channel.
Yeah. I'll moderate
I did want to say,
so nobody uses swear words.
Language.
Fuck.
I think if I'm looking at correctly, we've only got 2 or 3 kids entries this year. Mm-hmm. So if your kids want to get involved, this is a great year for them to get involved.
Or your spouses that don't crochet, or
But I'm saying the kids category's thin this year.
Yeah.
So if you think your kids might be interested in decorating a hook,
you got a 1 in 4 chance of hitting the jackpot.
Yes. So if you've got a creative kid that likes to decorate and draw, I mean, that is definitely the category for them.
Get off the tripod, bro.
Our cat is rubbing his face on the tripod, so if it's moving, that's
Emmanuel, go, Emmanuel. Isn't that a thing?
Well, I think that's all of the details now.
I think so. We just wanted to drop in and say last minute, like, hey, we're getting
real thin.
Thin on hooks that are left, so if you want something that's sanded, you need to be ordering that ASAP, or send us a message, or let me know.
Yes, but we're so excited, and we're just excited to see that we still have interest and excitement around this. We try to make it better and better each year so that you guys have more fun, and
I'm going to be going live decorating my hook this year.
Same.
Yeah.
Yes, so, I have an idea, so we'll see what happens. But
it'll be fun.
Yeah. But we're excited, you guys, and thank you so much for joining in. And this will be available to rewatch. If you're joining in late, you'll be able to rewatch it on my feed. I'll also post it to YouTube.
And on Twitch and TikTok.
And on our website.
Wait, we don't do Twitch and TikTok. Sorry.
Twitch. You could open a Twitch for Zelda.
I could. Speaking of which.
Yes, Zelda. It's time for him to start playing again. But I'll get this posted for you guys. We're super excited to have you guys involved this year. Be sure to buy your hook. You've only got about a week left, and we're going to be closing orders, and that's it for this year. So don't miss out.
Don't miss out. Don't miss out, because it's going to be fun, and you're going to be sad that you didn't join in if you didn't. And if you did, you're going to be like, y'all didn't join in, so you don't get to have any fun.
And by the way, you guys can already search the hashtag DIY Hook Challenge and see some people who are already finishing their hooks. We have some people...
And it's okay to add the year, too. Some people have did, like, DIY Hook Challenge 2022 or 2023.
Yeah, DIY okay hashtag, too. Yes.
We can search any of them.
The Lucky Mermaid says, my husband is sucked into Zelda, too.
Awesome.
So you are not the only one. And Indigo Dogs said, got my hook yesterday and already have a plan. Yay! We can't wait to see. So definitely use that hashtag so we can see.
Ask your husband if he's got rupees like that. You see how many rupees that is? That's 31,000 rupees.
He likes the rupees.
I'm just saying. Unlimited money hack. Go.
Can you send Iran? I think so. Check my Etsy shop and shoot me a message if I can't. So there you go. This is a worldwide
prestige
worldwide. Yes. So,
yeah, as long as they don't seize it at the border.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know how they are about shipping plastic in. Some of those foreign countries are really weird.
And it depends on Etsy.
Technically, they're not plastic. It's more like cornstarch than plastic, but
we're just shipping a box of cornstarch.
Just saying.
All right, guys.
Happy Tuesday.
Yes, happy Tuesday. We'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.